will be very difficult for those sectors to come back, particularly say for example tourism. There is going to take a major hit. If you see that one of the things that out tourism for India, like you used to go to Malaysia, say you go to Dubai, you have places like multiple places you used to go. That Paris, Paris is going to take a huge hit. So as far as world economy is concerned, few sectors are going to take a hit, but other sectors are going to go up. But the recovery rate is going to be very, very less. Okay. If you see one more thing is that Africa and that side is not much affected. Okay. India is recovering fast. We are going to get back on recovering fast because we did not let the virus go to make it too haywire kind of things. What the Europe had, and Europe now has gone back to that mode where it's going. We are seeing that New Zealand, the Prime Minister of New Zealand is one of the torch bearers of how to handle. So if you see, that's a case study in itself, how she brought back New Zealand from, and it's one of the very good things coming back. Situation in Singapore is tough. I can say because it's a trade-based thing. If you see Singapore's economy, so question which Joshua is asking, Singapore's economy is trade-based economy. It is going to take some time to come back because we are seeing that the reason that Singapore was doing very good, and it is going affected also because a lot of the transit was happening. So it is going to take some time for Singapore to recover. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, now coming back to the question of the youngsters. Okay, now Satya Prakash has asked the question: what will happen to the IT workers after the pandemic is over? Because IT companies have fired most of the employees, that IT world would recover. Now I will consider IT into two parts. Okay, one is the IT and IT, then second is the IT support. Okay, ITES as we call. Okay, now IT people who have been fired are basically the bench guys. Okay, the work is still going on. There's no much thing. But one of the key things that we found in Infosys is that the existing clients are not giving new projects. It is going to take some time for the new projects to come in. So that is the reason the backup IT kind of people have fired. And people who are working on to the new products, that products have been on hold for some time. I have 10 minutes. So IT workers and IT guys are the people who actually, if you say that work from home or work remotely, are the guys who are the torch bearers there. So that way they are the guys who first came up and came up with the idea of that. So let me take the next. We have only 10 minutes. In that I have to complete it. And would it be a great idea to start up any form of business on the current? You can start now itself. 8A69E4. I don't know your name. So it's a good idea to start business anytime. Business is something I would not say. Business is something which will come from a problem, an idea, and a need. Okay, when there is a need, if you are fulfilling a need, a business is formed. Period. That's it. So there is a need now also. People are looking. I mean, say for example, someone wants a beer bottle, and the government says no beer is to be sold. You for someone find out a beer bottle and go and sell it to him for 10x. It is not right, but it's a business nevertheless. So you have to ensure you. There is a lot of business ideas like this. You can find out if you see that there are people, no construction. They are coming out hungry. There is a story in story. The minister says looking at a dead rat, saying that a person can make a big person seeing selling this rat also. We have stories like that. Business can be done anytime. Okay, I think I'm digressing from the plan that I had. We have okay, so the six things. I'm just doing that, but my Talaivar, okay, what he says is that yesterday's deed is what we are living today, and today's deed alone is going to decide tomorrow. Future is in your hand. So, so he is person who is always stood up to his ideal. Okay, since I have less time, I'm going to talk about employment opportunities to new graduates. I have 5 minutes, and then you can always link back to me. I'll give my ID to you. Okay, so learn skills, have more skills, find out your interest, and work on your interest and excel in it. It can be dance, fine arts, music, software development, website development, food art, yoga, gym, bodybuilding, bike and care, design studios, photography, painting, tattoo painting, blog writing, content writing, model toy making, robotics, teaching, get paid for gaming, use of websites, filling of reviews, movie reviews, affiliate marketing, online marketing, networking, unboxing of new products, review products, repairs, upgrade, water solutions, study of competitive exams and interviews. This is also one of the key things. You sit back and start studying for competitive exams. You can pass. That is the idea. Join online classes. Now they are free. Lot of things are free. Subscribe to communities. Join NGOs. Get experience. Okay. Next is there's so many things you can go. Earlier, just you have to study. You can do it. Now it's all based on skill and find your interest. Excel in it. You do. You create out of it. You start getting money. There are a lot of things you can get money out of it. Buy a laptop. That is important. Or make use of your mobile. No, use your mobile. If you like to do gaming in that, use that. If you want to do videos in that, do that and get money. Okay, you make you YouTube videos, get money. So do that and get money. Okay, take small assignments now, get experience, get paid, even do it for free, that is okay. Freelancing portals, there are multiple freelancing portals. Just take freelancing portals, just put it in website Google, you get innumerable where you can do it. Okay, now remember D3. Okay, what is D3? Dull, dirty, dangerous. All these three things will be, jobs will be always available. So if a work is dull, security guard available, job is available today, tomorrow, after 10 years also available. Dirty, putting your hand in a dirty work. Okay, and dangerous work, no one wants to do it. If I say that I'm going to give you 10 lakh rupees per month, but you have to work as a soldier, as a person, and sitting in Afghanistan, to guard the Afghanistan oil, 10 lakhs, huge money, dangerous job. We don't know, we don't want to go, people don't want to do it. So dull, dirty, D3. So people will be always ready to pay you for the dull, dirty and dangerous job. And before we go, my favorite, or my role model, Subramanya Bharati. So he always says that live in the present, shape the future. Do not cast a lingering looks into the distance part, what has happened and what has to be. Never again to return. You look forward, always look forward. He is the one person who, as Achamilla, if you see that, one of the things that he says is that he never feared anyone. He's the person who spoke his mind, and is a good person. What he says is that live in present, see what is happening, be happy, and then shape your future. No way that what has happened, how my family was there, what much money are there, is not going to there. It will not come back. Okay. So thank you very much for joining this. We have almost finished the time. And then this is my email ID. You can always look back to the link that you have joined. That is a website that I have, and my number and my email ID is given. You can ping me anytime. I will respond to the best possible way that I can do. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Have a blessed day. Thank you. Thank you, Ranjan. Thank you, David. Thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you. Thank you, Logeshwari. Thank you, Daniel. That was nice. Thanks. Thanks, Jennifer. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, everyone. So I think we are done for the class. Thank you. Nice, fast, good one. Thanks for the input. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Immaculate. Thanks so much. Thank you. This gives us a lot of. So we come back, and possible I'll talk to you more. So Joshua asked a question. I want to work in Singapore. Yeah, you can work. It's not an issue. But as of now, be in. You can plan that, but be you can prepare now. They say that for fighting on the 8th day, 7 days, I will make my knife sharp or my sword sharp. So Joshua, my suggestion is that improve your skill set, work on what you are doing, let your work talk. Okay. Thanks, Vishal. Thank you, Ranjani. Thank you, Mohit. Joshua, just wait for some more time. Thank you, Hari Vatani. Thanks. On behalf of our students, we thank you for handling this session for us. Very informative. Thank you, David. Daniel. I'm sorry. Thank you, Daniel. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you, Mahalakshmi, ma'am. Thank you, Daniel, for giving me this opportunity to talk to the young minds. And oh, thank you, Ranjani. Thank you, Eva. Oh, thanks, Eva, for giving me 100 out of 100. That's nice. Thanks. Thank you, George. Yeah, two people have raised their hand. You can ask me question till this session goes off. Thank you, Muthukumar. Thank you. Okay, D3 is dull, dirty, dangerous. Tejas. Dull, dirty, dangerous. D3 is what we call job will be always available for D3 jobs. So you need not have to worry about it. So that is the reason. We call it D3. Thanks. 55A, 5 3 b. Nice. You can change. Thank you. Thank you. And get your name. So anyone who has any doubts, please do let me know. I will respond to you. You can always reach out to me on any aspect. More than happy to support everyone. Thanks so much. I am ending this meeting now. Thank you so much. Bye.